Hello. Now I am at this Punggol City Sprout uh, farming area. Wow. So this place looks very like the old Green Valley at Asumpa. But I don't know whether this area is rented out. But then it's like mostly private owned spa. So you can see all the greenhouses. Inside got electricity power. Oh, nice. Hydro. It's locked lah, so you can't go in. Wow, this is nice. Wow, you see all the kills. Whoa. Is that for a wedding? Okay, let's go up. Wow. See all the playgrounds. And inside still got some more. Let's go have a look. This is also playground. Wow, nice. Wow. Too bad there's no owner. I can request to go in for more information. So we will just stay outside. Don't touch anything. Eye pleasure. Wow, look at the stream over here. This one all 杂草 already. Vegetable available for sales. Oh. The pork chai. Ooh, nice. This one a mess. I think they're going for hydro. Banana tree, brinjal. So the inside is all fully covered. Wow, a forest of orchid. Wow, nice. Haha. Moringa on the roof already. This one thirsty already. This one full of hydro and grasses. Okay, don't go in. This is nice. But all the unedible one. So don't waste my fertilizer and water. So nice. CCTV. Haha. Wow, fully hydro. But then a lot of them dry up already. Cool. We are written at 7:25. Little Botanic and Friends. Nice. Oh, there are bird inside also. Oh, on top. Eh? Inside? Serious ah? Wow. Okay. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Ah, all the succulents. Wow. Indian borage. Another mess. This is marigold, right? Playground. Haha. So cute. Chicken. I saw chicken in the cage, the aviary. Oh, it's windy over here because almost dark. Do I see duck? Yes, it's a duck. And chicken, if you can see from here. Okay, I can't see from here. Okay, never mind. Inside is chicken. And here got ducks. Ah, so cute. Wow. The forest. Another forest. More neater. Mushroom World Academy. Okay, on my left side. Later go and see. Oh. See all the solar. This is more neater. The solar panel, the control distributor board over here. Star fruits. Wow. Next event June 22nd, 2024. 5 to 9 p.m. Okay, evening one. Edible Gardens. Nice. So I believe this is the composting ground. Yeah, correct. Community compost. Stage 1, 2 weeks. Stage 2, 70 degree. Stage 3, 2 weeks. Wow. Wing bin, right? Peanuts. Yeah, I believe to loosen up the soil and give more nutrients. Nice. Okay, let's go to the other part. But this is a mess. Mushroom World Academy. I think it's all inside bar. Biohazard. Huh. Okay. Resting place. So yeah, I think this is the mushroom wood chip. Nice. Then the mushroom area. Wow. Nice, nice, nice. Hydro. Oh, you see the tomato tree, tomato plants from Hydro. Yeah, I miss playing Hydro. Okay, this is for what? I don't know. This is all the medium for growing mushroom. Got people over there. Okay, let's go have a chat. Wow, this is all nice. Lotus. Hi, what is this? What is this plant? A government one. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Ooh. So these are the raw material for the mushroom lah. Recycle sawdust. I see. Nice. Then those greenhouse is all rented one or what?
That one from City Sport, rent one.
Rent one lah. So right now it's all full already lah.
Still have. You can go to City Sport website and then look for it.
Oh, okay. Cool. That's nice. Thank you. Okay lah, so that's all for the City Sprout Punggol tour. If you want to come, the landmark is just near the Punggol what? Yeah, the exercise ground lah. Or maybe Haipin, the Punggol prawning center. Just walk a bit more in, you are here already. Okay, so this is outside already. That's all. Need to go back to work already. The car park over here is not free lah. It's need to pay one. So if you guys interested, can come over here and look see. Okay, signing off.